Hello guys, it's Deepak here from the Raw London Gardener. Hope you guys are doing good. So where are we today? We're here in Hyde Park. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. It's about 10 degrees. You do need a jacket, but if you're going for a jog like me, a t-shirt and joggers, perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do, join me and I'll show you the sights and sounds of Hyde Park. We've got lovely gardeners here at work doing an amazing job taking care of all of these flowers, shrubs and perennials and evergreens, and it is looking great for spring and summer. Join me guys. Guys, we have ominous clouds above. It's starting to spit down with rain, so I'm going to make a quick getaway and freshen up. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.